Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to change a receiver's name on Remitly. If you want to change and update the name of your recipient on Remitly, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open your Remitly application from your app drawer. Make sure that you are signed into your Remitly account as well. Once you are logged into your account, tap on Recipients at the bottom. Now, select one of your recipient you would like to edit the name for and tap on Edit. Enter the name for your recipient. You can also go ahead and edit the last name for the recipient, their phone number, email address if available, and also their address. Once you are done editing all of the necessary details, tap Save. And that is how you can easily change your receiver's name on Remitly. That is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.